Estamos aqui nesse evento com a diretora de desenvolvimento da NFP, a instituição, e o presidente da instituição. Olga, como a importância deste evento para sua instituição?
Claro, como no. Jim, they would like to understand what is the importance of this event for NFPA.
So the importance for NFPA is we try to put fire and life safety into people understanding it from a system perspective. Some key parts of that system, it's what we call an ecosystem. Some very key parts of that are codes and standards, which this event helps raise the awareness of the importance of safety codes and standards. Another key part is about a skilled workforce. And this event offers great opportunity for people to train and understand better fire and life safety elements, which helps them be able to do their job better and better protect people and property. So it's really part of this ecosystem that we have developed that this event really helps play into.
Ok, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Obrigado.
Continuamos, até já.